Practice paper set 4, paper 2, so calculator paper. Formula sheet. Question 1. C is a positive odd integer, D is a negative even integer. Tick the boxes to show the expressions. So C minus D, so that is essentially an odd plus even, so that will be positive and it will be odd. D cubed, so that is even times even times even, and negative times negative times negative, so it will be odd, will be even, and it will be negative. C plus D squared, so C plus D, because it's squared it's going to be positive, irrespective, and C plus D, so we've got an odd plus an even, which is an odd, so an odd squared is an odd. Question 2. Here is a formula. P equals the square root of QR minus 1. Make Q the subject. Alright, so let's square both sides to get rid of that square root. Is equal to QR minus 1. Add 1 is equal to QR, and then divide by Q, so divide by R, sorry. Q is equal to P squared plus 1 divided by R. Find the value of Q when P equals 12 and R equals 5. So we've got 12 squared plus 1 divided by 5 is equal to 145 over 5, which is equal to 29. Question 3. AB is parallel to CD, so those two lines are parallel. Is PQ parallel to SR? They will be parallel if those two angles are equal, or those two angles are equal. Alright, so let's have a look. We've got that angle plus that angle is equal to 180. So 7x plus 8x equals 180. Co-interior angles on parallel lines. Okay, so 15x equals 180, x equals 12 degrees. Alright, so 8x is equal to 12 times 8 is 96, and 2x plus 60 is equal to 84, and 84 angle SQ is equal to 180 minus 84. That's angles on a line. Which is 96. So 8x, so PQC equals SRQ. So corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So parallel. Excuse my handwriting. Question 4. Circle A has the equation x squared plus y squared equals 16. So circle B has the equation x plus 6 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 25. Work out the distance between the centres of the circles. Okay, so we've got one centre, that's where circle A is centred, and the other one is -6 and up 8. So 8 squared plus 6 squared is the distance from, so that is 10 units. Okay. Circle the correct statement. The circles overlap, the circles touch, the circles do not overlap. Give a reason for your diagram. Well, I think the circles do not overlap. Radius of A equals 4. Radius of B equals 5. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. They don't touch. This is 9 is less than 10. The circles don't touch. Question 5. Write n to the power of 6 over n squared to the power of 5 as a single power of n. So we've got n to the power of 6 over n to the power of 10. Power of power, you multiply. So that is 1 over n to the power of 4, or n to the power of -4. Expand and simplify fully. Okay, so when we multiply, we add powers. So we've got 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So that is 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. So that's c squared plus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is 0. C 0. So that is c squared plus 1. Solve d to the power of a quarter equals 1/2. So I'm going to power 4 both sides. So d is equal to 1/2 to the power of 4, which is equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 1/16. Okay. Question 6. A net for an open cuboid is made by removing squares of x centimetres from the corners of a 30 by 20 centimetre rectangle. Work out an expression for the area of the net. Give your answer in simplest form. Alright, so I guess 20 times 30, the area of the large rectangle, minus 4x squared. 20 times 30 is 600, minus 4x squared. That's probably as simple as I can make it. I suppose I could divide both sides by 4. Divide by 4. So 4 times 150 minus x squared is the area. Work out an expression for the volume of the cuboid and give your answer in the form ax plus bx squared plus cx cubed, where a, b and c are constants. Okay, so my base is going to be 30 minus 2x. This is 20 minus 2x, and this is x. So 30 minus 2x, 20 minus 2x, and x. Let's do this pair of brackets first. So I get 600 minus 60 x minus 40x plus 4x squared, all times by x, like terms. So I've got 600 minus 100x plus 4x squared, all times by x, so we get 600x minus 100x squared plus 4x cubed. A equals 600, B equals negative 100, and C equals 4. Okay, all done.